What makes this space remarkable is a combination of design details here. Hey guys, I want to show you this beautiful steam shower from an ensuite bathroom renovation we just wrapped up. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So as I mentioned, here we have a beautiful new steam shower. And what makes this space remarkable is a combination of design details here. So we have this nice large format tile, which really minimizes grout lines and keeps it a nice, clean, simple, elegant design with very low maintenance on grout. We also have this beautiful gold colored plumbing trim package. It's a beautiful overall finish, ties in really well with the rest of the space, but very unique within how it's laid out. For example, look at the controls. They're a nice linear design. We have large square overhead rain showers. We have some body sprays. Yeah, it's a beautiful space. We also have in behind me here a nice bench and a niche detail. Those tie in to match the quartz countertops and the balance of the bathroom. And when you do have a steam shower, you need to think about how you will vent out the steam from the space. So here we have a transom located above the door. The other option is to just leave your door open afterwards. That's far more convenient to have the transom window. So in any case, remarkable space. We're really proud of it. If you have any questions about your project or perhaps this one, do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations. Have a great day.